Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel Vision Class. Today we are seeing about NTA UGC NET Paper 2 Commerce Unit 2 Accounting and Auditing Part 1. Right? I hope all of you understand the unit first, business environment and international business. If anyone not seen this topic, then watch my previous videos. It is useful, then please like, share, subscribe and give your comments in comment box. Fine. Today's topic is basic accounting. So let's see. In this pyramid, accounting is kept in middle. Why it is because for accounting it's need accountancy and bookkeeping process. Right? Before going to understand the accounting, we have to know about first what is mean by accountancy and bookkeeping. Accountancy is a profession which includes accounting body of knowledge that is consisting of principles, postulates, conventions, concepts, rules and assumptions governing the science of recording, classifying and analyzing financial transaction is called accountancy. Right? It means accountancy refers to systematic knowledge of accounting. It explains why to do and how to do of various aspects of accounting. It tells us why and how to prepare the book of accounts and how to summarize the accounting information and communicate to interested parties. Right? Then what is mean by accountancy? It is nothing but the practice of recording, classifying and reporting on business transaction for a business. Fine. Now we are seeing bookkeeping. Bookkeeping is that branch of knowledge which tells us how to keep a record of a financial transaction. It's considered with record keeping or maintenance of books of accounting, which is often routine and clerical in nature. According to A.H. Rosnaft, bookkeeping is the art of recording business transaction in a systematic manner. Right? Bookkeeping means identify the transactions, measuring the identified transactions and events in common measuring units, recording the identified and measured and events in ledger. Right? The features of bookkeeping are primarily related to the systematic record of business transactions. Every transaction is properly analyzed before recording, should be expressed in monetary terms. It is both a science as well as art. Right? Recording is done in proper books of accounts. These are the features of bookkeeping. Fine. In simple way, what is the difference between the accountancy and bookkeeping? Is that accountancy is the process of managing the income and expenses of a business, while the process of recording and summarizing financial transaction is known as bookkeeping. Right? All of you understand the concept of accountancy and bookkeeping. Now we are seeing accounting. Accounting is a science of keeping the business record in regular and most systematic manner, so as to know the business result without any trouble. To support the application of the true and fair view, accounting has adopted certain concepts and conventions which help to ensure that accounting information is presented accurately and consistently. Right? American Accounting Association, that is AAA, says that accounting is the process of identifying, measuring, and communicating information to permit judgment and decision by the users of accounts. American Institute of Certified Public Accountant that is AICPA, it says that accounting is the art of recording, classifying and summarizing in a significant manner and in terms of money transaction and events which are in part at least of a financial character and interpreting the results thereof, right? That's why accounting divided into two parts, that are financial accounting and managerial accounting. Financial accounting is the process of preparing financial statements that companies use to show their financial performance and position to people outside the company. The main purpose of financial accounting is to prepare financial reports that provide information about a firm performance to whom these are external users. Right? External users means what? These are people outside the business entity, organization who use accounting informations. Example: owners, inventors, government agencies, creditors, trade associations, suppliers, banks, customers, investors, potential investors, and tax authorities too. Like that, right? The main objective behind preparation of financial account is to present a true and fair picture of the business. Fine. Then managerial accounting. Managerial accounting is also known as cost accounting or management accounting. Managerial accounting is the practice of identifying, measuring, analyzing, interpreting, and communicating financial information to managers for the pursuit of an organization's goal. The main objective of managerial accounting is to maximize profit and minimize losses. It is concerned with the presentation of data to predict inconsistencies in finance that help managers make important decisions. Its scope is quite vast and includes several business operations. Managerial accounting is useful to internal users. These are director and CEO, employees, line managers, right? The function of managerial accounting is recording, classifying, summarizing, analysis and interpretation and communicate, right? Why it is important? Because to ascertain the profitability and solvency of the business, to present the financial stability of a business, to assess the present position of the business, to prepare a comparative analysis of the financial results, to assist management in taking decisions, to overcome features, uncertainties, to provide information to various parties, the government to fix the tax rate and subsidies. For that purpose, we are use managerial accounting, right? There are some limitations also for a managerial accounting. That is, ignores non-monetary informations, does not disclose the present value of all the asset of the business. Impact of inflation is not properly assessed, right? These are some limitations of a managerial accounting. I hope all of you understand the basic accounting very well, right? If it is useful, please like, share, subscribe and give your comments in comment box. Thank you.